This is the new solo grinder from Bella Brewster, just about to do myself a coffee. I've loaded it with just over 17 grams of beans. So let's just hit the grind button. Now, I let most of the grinds come out and I'm grinding into a portafilter ring, and I find a gentle press, just a couple of, I don't want to press too hard, gets all the coffee out, and that's good enough for me. Turn that off. And now I'm going to prepare for tamping. One of the things, let's just focus down here. One of the things I do with this grinder, because it's a flat burr and the grind distribution is such that as it grinds through, the grinds get from finer to coarser. So I like to just give it a bit of a stir to make sure they're mixed up. I found it improves the shot, definitely helps. Let's put the ring back and get this tamped. I'll just get this tamped quickly. But definitely stirring the grind. You can pull a shot without stirring the grinds, but you suffer a much increased risk of channeling. I'll just pop it into the lever machine and I'll swing over to there, pop some scales on, and let's just pull ourselves a shot. So I'm ready to go. I'll give it just a little while to pre-infuse, probably this long, maybe a little longer, that's it. Now the pressure to build. I'm going to try and move in, if we can. And I'm going to be going for about 35 grams out. There we go. And the coffee I extracted here is an Ethiopian roasted just over a month ago, I think it was. But it's certainly, the grinder seems to produce an excellent result, really. Does what you need it to do. Very little retention. Most of it got out by a quick press on the puffer.